Hey Phoenixes, it's me. It's me and me. Just plain old me. Christian. Or, in other words, Phoenix. Now, right now though, I'm just in my room. I wanted to introduce myself. I'm going to make some videos, maybe, and if y'all see this video, then tell me, because, one, I was going to make a Borderlands video. Yeah, I was going to do a gameplay, but I don't know how to do, like, the videos, like, if you look at, like, say, like, Sly, it's like, if you know Sly Fox, then please comment about that. God, but he's pretty good, I like him, he's pretty cool. So, if you know about it, tell me, then so I can find out, and I can make y'all good videos. And please comment, and subscribe. This is not a real video technically, but I'm just making it, then so y'all, the people, will know who I am. No, I'm not running for president, but I make a pretty good, damn-ass good one. And also, one, put in the comments if you want good videos. Two, think if I'm going to be good for the president. And three, I don't have a three. So, yes, and please comment, and guess what? Y'all are the Phoenixes. Goodbye,